Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's a me and Johnny vlog. Johnny, what are we doing to the truck?
Oh, we're doing some speakers.
Oh, yes sir. Let's show you what we got. Or what Johnny got. He got some Kenwood Exolone, whatever that says. Full on door speakers, everything, pigtails. Should be plug and play. With some noise dampening material or vibration stuff. So Johnny's getting the stuff upgraded for bandas. Why'd you get all this? What was the reason?
It blew up.
He blew up the door speakers, the factory ones. So now here we are. Get everything done to it. We're on the crunch time, right?
Yep.
Yes, sir. So this comes with a bunch of stuff like that, and then the speaker right under it. Sheesh. Not bad. We were gonna go with the whole shebang, amp and everything, but the guy told us at the counter that we need a whole separate harness for these newer trucks. I did not know about, so I was like, yeah, we'll just put these on and not worry about that. So we're just gonna go with that and see how it goes, and yeah, we'll come back to you with any updates. Or let me tell you the process. So we're gonna take off the door panel. So you got this panel right here, that big piece, and you got this right here, and you got this. So these are 8s. This is gonna be a 7, and you got the ones on the bottom, 7. Same concept back here, pretty much. Do these 8s too, right? Mm-hmm. All 8s or
8, 7,
7s. So yeah, pretty straightforward, and get back into the install and let's see how it goes. All right, guys, we just installed the rear speaker. We already did the front. Boom, professional. All right, we on the other side now, guys. Little interruption, but we're good. That side is all done. So little step by step. For some reason, this bracket that we got from the Custom Sounds did not have like holes for the harness to go through, so we had to drill some of our own. But it's not that hard, it's just drill it, 2 holes, and then boom. Now just connecting everything, and that should be good. The 6.5s back here actually do have a hole in there already in the bracket. Get it out the bag. So when see, they already had a hole for the harness to go through. That's chilling. So yeah, and we got the sound denting. I think I already said that, but yeah, that side's all done. We're gonna continue on this one. Sorry, you have it upside down. I didn't show you guys testing the side, so we're testing right here. Oh, there it goes. Not bad. Sheesh. All right, time to put everything back together on this door, and then we'll go into the rear door, and then we're done. Let's get it. And just like that, we're on the last door.
Get it.
What, the screw?
Yeah.
Heard ya. Oh, it's right there. Here you go, son.
Oh shit.
Don't drop it. Probably. They're all 7s anyways. That's it, everybody. We're doing a giveaway on the original speakers. Comment down below. That's how you get your entry in. Original Ford speakers. Nothing is wrong with them. As you can see, they look exactly identical. Nothing's wrong with them. So let us know. Enter the giveaway. Leave a comment. What's the time limit on the giveaway, Johnny?
1 day.
1 day? All right. So once this video gets uploaded, you have 24 hours to leave a comment and get entered in the giveaway. Yep. There you go. All right, we'll get back to y'all when all the speakers are on. We're gonna play all of them all out at the same time. The last speaker is in. Now we're testing it, and then we're gonna put everything back together and have all the doors open and then test. Not bad, Johnny. Not bad.
Better than factory.
Better than the factory, yep. Remember, guys, we're doing a giveaway. 24 hours after the video's uploaded. Leave a comment. All right, let's put everything back. All right, here we go. We're going to show the whole thing. The whole shebang. It's a little windy.
Creo que me fui de paso. Hoy me declaro un loco obsesionado. Y no te espantes.
How do you feel, good sir?
Pero es que
A big difference.
Sheesh. Not bad. Successful day, guys. Time to clean everything up. Johnny sponsored me with the sound ending, a little piece. We're gonna put some on my truck too, because why not? But yeah, pretty good. Johnny's satisfied with this purchase. He's ready for bandas now.
Yep. No more stressing.
No more stressing. All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Catch you on the next one at bandas.